doing here?
I was gonna ask you the same thing. Why are you here?
Okay, you got me. I only came back to get something I left behind.
Left behind what?
This. My hat!
Oh.
Why? What did you think I was going to do? Besides, it goes really well with my giant robot.
Wait, what? Holy...
Hey! What's all the racket?
It's not a racket, it's a rocket!
Tord! What's going on?
Hey! Sorry, I just couldn't leave this behind. Thanks for holding on to it for me.
But I thought we were friends!
No! What would I need friends for when I've got this? I'm unstoppable!
Hey! Sunshine lollipops!
Take a seat!
Oh, shut up!
Tord, no!
Lame.
No! My everythings! Tom! No!
What a sight! Well, I got what I came for. Goodbye, Ed! World's not going to take over itself! What the... What's wrong with this thing?
This is for the house. This is for my friend. And this is for my face!
Hey, John! Stop that!
May I join in?
No, he may not join in.
Be my guest.
John? John? Speak to me, buddy! Say something! Say something, you idiot!
Something.
Wait, if that's John, then where's...
So long! Friends!
I am not your friend!
Oh.
Yeah! Good riddance!
I told you the harpoon gun would be useful.
I guess we need a new house.
Well, actually, I